So hello everybody! For this video, we are going to tackle about Hornbook. Just a little background and information. Hornbook was a precursor to the primer, a tool that taught children their letters, how to read, and gave a categorical lesson. As such, fixed to the paddle was a sheet of parchment or vellum upon which was inscribed the alphabet, Arabic numerals, and a prayer, usually the Lord's Prayer or the Trinitarian formula. Some forms include a syllabary, a table teaching syllabic letters as well. Now, moving on the definition. The Hornbooks in children's literature refer to early educational tools used to teach children to read and write. They were typically made of wood, with a piece of paper containing the alphabet attached to the front, protected by a transparent horn plate. In addition, Hornbooks were typically designed to be read from left to right, just like modern books. The alphabet and other text printed on the paper attached to the wooden paddle would have been arranged in a left-to-right format, following the reading standard direction of the language being taught. So, that is our short definition and a little background information about Hornbooks.
Let us go now about the author of the Hornbooks. The concept of Hornbooks dates back to the medieval period, and their creation was likely a collaborative effort among educators and craftsmen of the time. As we can see, Hornbooks were primarily used as instructional aids for teaching children the alphabet's basic reading and writing skills. They were often used in conjunction with a teacher or parent guiding the child's learning process.
Let us now proceed to the types of the book. There were different variations of Hornbooks, but the basic design consisted of a wooden paddle with a handle, usually about the size of a small book, the alphabet, often accompanied by the Lord's Prayer or other religious text, was printed on a sheet of paper affixed to the paddle. This paper was then covered with a thin sheet of transparent horn to protect it. Let us now proceed to the types of the book. The first one is the traditional Hornbooks. These were typically made of wood and featured a single page with the alphabet, numbers, and perhaps a simple religious text. The second one is the modern Hornbooks. In contemporary children's literature, the term Hornbook may refer more broadly to any beginner's book or primer designed to introduce children to reading and writing. These can include word books, alphabet books, and early reader series.
Examples: traditional hornbooks from the colonial era, such as those used in early American education. Modern examples could include popular alphabet, books like Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John R. Chambolt, or early reader series like the Bob Books by Bobby Lynn Maslin. Other information: Hornbooks can be found in historical collections, museums, and archives dedicated to education and literacy. Some well-known examples include those found in the collections of the British Library, the Smithsonian Institution, and the Library of Congress. Additionally, illustrations or references for Hornbooks can be found in works of historical fiction or children's literature set in earlier time periods.